Let's get into it. Mona Lisa, tell me why you go.
YouTube, what's really good? It is your guy Hitch. Sorry for taking so long to put out any videos. It's been 4 months since my last video, but to be honest, a lot's been happening. Back in May, we moved. I've been taking time trying to get this office/studio together, and then my wife, she's pregnant, so by the time this video drops, my baby girl or baby boy will be here, thank God. It's all exciting stuff. In my absence, I did notice there were some requests, most of them for lacing tutorials, so I figured what's better than to come back with a lacing tutorial for one of the most challenging sneakers to lace, and that is the Jordan 8s. The playoffs dropped back on September 30th. It's a classic silhouette, but these straps make it very challenging for people to lace them. Some people bend them and tie them down. Some people let them go free. All bad ideas. Essentially, nobody knows what to do with the straps, but that stops today. I'm here to help you, so let's get to it.
Stop looking at me. Just answer when I call. I got 99 problems.
As always, step one is take out your laces completely so that you're starting from scratch and so that you know they're going to be even. Then you want to take your laces and go from the outside lace eyelet to the inside. Lace eyelet, outside, to inside. Now that you have both here, make sure they're even and flat. From here, now you're gonna go with the laces from the inside out and go all the way up to lace eyelet number 5.
Whatever you do, I got it. If not, then I can acquire. Xanax to Oxycontin, you can lean on me or roll it.
While you're doing this, you also want to keep in mind to keep your laces as loose as you feel them to be comfortable.
But sadly, I'm the practice for you meet Drake. Skip the dinner date, straight to Hennessy and chicks tapes. We got nothing in common, but we be physically bonding. Trying to segue into she willing to fuck with bondage, and I'm bound it.
Once you get to the 5th eyelet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you stop here. This is where stuff becomes fun and most important because you got to figure out what you're doing with your straps. Step 1 here is take the inside lace, the inside strap, go in through the inside lace loop to the outside of the lace loop, and you want to go to the 7th eyelet from the inside out.
Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go?
Now that you've done that, you're actually not going to do anything with the outside strap. You're just going to take the outside lace. Make sure that it's on top of the inside lace at the bottom to give the inside strap support. Once you put this lace into the 7th eyelet going from the inside out, you now have support for this strap should it need to move for any reason. The furthest it's going to go is to wherever that bottom lace is at the 7th eyelet, so it doesn't go too crazy. Now this strap stays here. There's really nothing else to do. Most people may wonder, why aren't you doing anything? It's because this strap is really not going to move once you have it here. These are my Aquas from 2015. Same lacing, and it has never moved. Strap is still intact and looks great. This is it. Those are the lacing styles that I mentioned before. Bending the straps, tying the straps down, or letting both straps go free are crazy because they're gonna burn out and kill your Jordan 8s. Your straps are gonna get bent out of control, they're gonna get worn out, and there are gonna be times where you're not even gonna be able to see that Fire 23 logo on the strap. This lacing style keeps your straps in great condition. You can show off your 23 logo, and if you're wearing jeans, the jeans can sit right behind the strap to show your kicks off. As you all know, I don't like tying my sneakers. With this lacing style, I'm able to still do that. And for the people that do like tying their sneakers, you can still do that with this lacing style as well. So hit the comments, let me know what you guys think about this lacing style. For anyone that hasn't done so already, check out my tutorials. There's a whole playlist that shows you how to lace your kicks and other things. But if there's a sneaker that's not on that tutorial that you want to see a lacing tutorial for, hit the comments and let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.
Mona Lisa, tell me why you go.
you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Make your pain go. Make your pain go.
Look, the day I met her, she doused in black leather. Drooling from